everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly apply Siser EasyWeed Adhesive, which is the base to TRW Magic Foil. So here I am at the heat press. I am using a Stahl's Max press. This is a 15 by 15 heat press, and I have my J America glitter t-shirt already down. So the first thing I'm going to do before I apply any of our adhesive or any of the foil is I'm going to do a pre-press. So I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to press this to get moisture and wrinkles out. It helps get a proper application of our material. So just a few seconds, nothing too fancy, and my heat press is set to 305 degrees. So here is the first part of our process. This is EasyWeed adhesive. You can see it's transparent. This is almost like a big piece of glue in a basic form of it. This is what our foil is going to adhere to. So we cut this out with our silhouette cameo. So if you want to know how to cut this material, I do have a video linked in the description where I cut this material earlier and figured out my cut settings, and you can check that out so you can get to the first part of this process. So I have my adhesive down. You'll notice it looks foggy on top of here. So what we're going to do is we are just going to tack this down to melt the adhesive. We're not going to do a full 15-second press because we don't need it. So I have my heat press set to 305 degrees. We're going to go ahead and close this with medium to firm pressure. We're going to press this for 2 to 3 seconds until the adhesive melts. So we're just bringing this down, a couple seconds. Now let's lift it up. So if you look at this, it's going to be a little bit harder for you to see on camera, but this whole adhesive is clear, which is good. If your adhesive looks like there's little white patches in it, then it's not fully melted, for lack of a better word. So you want to go ahead and bring your press down and possibly increase your pressure a little bit to get this to stay on. So if you look, it looks like a glaze on our shirt right now, which is a good sign. So we're going to go over it, and I'm going to cut a piece of foil to cover this. So we're going to make sure it's wider than the design. I'm just going to go to the side here and cut it. And with foil, this is available on our website. This is the TRW Magic Foil. This foil is heat reactive, so you can see this is the color, and this side is what sticks to the adhesive and what reacts to the heat. So we're going to cut a big piece to cover the whole design, and we're going to go ahead and press this without the cover sheet. So typically you use a cover sheet, but for the foil it can show the texture of the cover sheet or dull the design. So we're going to leave this completely open, and we're going to press this for a full 15 seconds. And again, my press is set to 305 degrees. Okay, so when your press is done, you want to gently open it. Foil is a cold peel, so I cannot peel this off right now. If I do, I'm going to get some bad results. But if I hold it up gently, you'll see that's kind of sucked into our design a little bit, and that's good. That means our foil has stayed pretty well. So I'm going to move this over to cool off, and then we're going to go back and we're going to peel this cold to finish off our foil design. So here's my shirt all cooled with the foil. Now I am using TRW Magic Foil in teal, so we're all cool to the touch. Now with foil, make sure you're not cheating it. Like, this is not something you can peel, kind of warm. Let it cool completely. And now I'm just going to take from this corner, peel it off. And you can see my foil on this carrier. This little carrier sheet is clear because all the color that was right here has stuck to the adhesive. So that is how you apply EasyWeed Adhesive and TRW Magic Foil. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more tutorials. And if you like this video, leave us a comment below. Let us know what other things that you would like to learn in future videos.